Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be a slightly different video this time because it's me talking and Saket only shooting this time because he's down with a little viral. Today we are at the Vault Home Bar Festival, which is Asia's finest spirit festival that we are attending. We will be getting to try more than 100 brands of alcohol inside, and let's get drunk today. And maybe I'm the only one drinking and Saket may not be able to drink. Let's go. So inside there are like more than 100 places, more than 100 bars to try alcohol. And I think from the moment we've entered, we don't know where to start. So I think we're going to start from my friend's place. He's keeping a stall here. So let's go.
You keep moving to Goa.
Yes.
What do I do to get your life?
Okay, so here we have 6 brands in our pavilion. There's Amaro Montenegro, which is this Italian bitter. I'll make you have some. Then we have Jura, which is by the island of Jura. And the entire community on that island just works at the Jura distillery.
I think there are 212 people who work on that island and live there. Yeah.
They live there, they work there, they enjoy the Jura.
Yeah.
Then we have Elite, which has won 11 platinum awards globally as the best vodka in the world. They both are Salman Khan fans.
Yeah, then you've seen it for sure.
Oh, the big bottle where he's about to fall?
Yes.
And then
Oh,
that's
that
the
scene,
bottle. So I would recommend you start with the lightest. So do Amaro and
Then
Amunda.
go till the heaviest.
Then do the vodkas and then move on to
the
the
single
bourbons
malt.
and single malts.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Good for the throat also.
It's more refreshing.
Yeah, can you give him a small one without ice? It's really good for the throat. Just give him 10 ml and let him do a shot. It'll help you.
We should have had a brandy
It's
here.
made of botanicals, so it's great.
Thank you.
Jari
Can
booty
I
and
also
all.
get one?
So maybe Negronis.
Yeah, they do Montenegro.
Now you're doing a mula,
So
I
round
feel
2.
I'm having coffee.
which this is essentially made from the marula fruit, which only grows in Africa. It's also synonymous with elephants all over Africa because the scent is so strong that elephants migrate towards the tree. The fruit falls, they eat the fruit, get drunk, and then they just like lie there.
Wow. Cheers.
I was taking a picture, right?
So the Vault Home Bar organizes Asia's finest bar festival, and this time it is in our very own Geo Gardens of Bandra. Now the concept is simple, a celebration of world-class distillers coming together to showcase their homegrown labels of alcohol to global industry experts and the everyday consumer. Basically, it is Disneyland for adults. So you pay for entry about 2,500 per person, and once inside, you can try more than 100 different brands or maybe more. Honestly, it is a really fun day getting to know more about these brands and their stories, and of course enjoying the Mumbai sun.
I'll give you coconut first if you like coconut. I may have to put some ice in because it's a bit hot.
Despite the Bombay heat,
It's
I think we're not being stopped. This is what I love about Bandra. Like, everybody just comes to Bandra. You don't have to travel to Spain or in Italy or a UK to try these gins and rums. Everybody is more than happy to come down to Bandra and make us try.
in Normandy, in a very specific areas, to produce this Calvados. It's very fruity, it's very smooth.
The gin and the Calvados, which I'm trying for the first time, is just lovely. But anything for the Emily in Paris accent. It's from Normandy.
Very light, very rosy, and that's what you taste when you taste our flagship product. That's right. Would you like to try?
It's super duper hot. So I'm going to tie my hair and begin round 2.
It is the worst day to have a sore throat because
And when you've come to try more than 100 spirits from the world, saying when you've come to try more than 100 spirits from across the world, that too in Bandra, and you lose your throat. We tried some mezcal, we tried some tequila, we tried Calvados, we tried the Amrula. They are not even selling it or anything.
But if
They
you
are-
try like from 100 brands
You're done.
and you're trying whiskey, Amaro, like different types of liquor, different alcohol.
Don't talk so much. Chill. Chill, bro.
Now, on any other day, I would have really kept my mouth shut, but not this day. For I was tasting some of the finest spirits that I'd never even heard of before. And then there was the ones you'd grown up hearing, like the Johnny Walker Blonde edition. We went a few more rounds, realizing we'd been drinking on an empty stomach. So we made our way through the bar stalls to the food section, which at night would convert into a concert area. We head to our favorite stall, the Mac Street Cafe, picked out from a bunch of options, and sat down for lunch. And then it was time for our final round. Now we still had a lot of stalls to cover, but I wonder why Ritika keeps going back to this one stall. Like, I get it, baby, the accent is cool, but get over it. For there's a Vietnamese guy with a fine spirit too. The Bai Gur gin from Saigon is very different from other gins. Made with the local fruit, this was one of my best spirits to taste. And then there were spirits that look like Malana creams.
Actually making bangles here, like bangles as in chudi, like live chudi making here.
So from my homeland of Rajasthan came a whiskey with a heritage. And then there were all sorts of discussions and panels for all things cocktail.
You know, even the ice cream here has gin, rum and pina colada flavors. Maybe we can take the apricot rum ball ice cream. You know, this is most home because Maharaja is the most Goan rum you'll ever try.
Sadly, we don't have any picantes tonight.
What do we have?
We have some giblets, we have a Negroni, a gin and tonic, and of course, a
Like
Fisha.
full-fledged Negroni?
Yeah, Fisha.
So after an afternoon of tasting unknown foreign labels, we chilled with our very own favorites and all locals.
You know, after trying gins from all across the world, it's Hapusa and Tamarind that we finally come back to. Our own handcrafted Indian gins. That too some are from Goa. You know, just because he cannot talk, so I shall close the video that we must have tried some 40 to 50 brands today.
Yeah.
For gins, for rum and alcohol across the world. And we are finally back to the stall, picking up our bottle and going back. But we really look forward to come back to the Vault Home Bar Festival. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, please do subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, see you soon.
See you in the next video when I
Be there
sound
with a little-
more
Yes,
normal.
yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
I mean, no introductions really, but for the sake of the cameras, we will do this, right? Aditi, Mayur, who's going to take his shirt off now, and then God knows what. And that's Mayur from Rocky. But with Zomato, Chief Energy Officer. Wow. Like, God, look at that. We need that, right? Rahul Akerkar, right now back in Mumbai on another innings or something, I'm sure very exciting, often redefining how Mumbai is dining, right, setting new benchmarks. And my favorite neighborhood drink place, which is Lolita's House from Goa.